Hey there, you're watching Exocraft. Let's get started. So after you've installed your Blender Bonsai plugin, go into your scene on the right hand side, and we can start off by setting up our project. For the template, make sure you pick IFC4 demo template. We start off by creating our project. We can see all of our library, our IFC library here pre-set up. And the first thing we're going to do is set up our levels. First off, you want to go here into building within the spatial decomposition inside spatial within the project overview, and you want to select IFC building story, and now we can generate one. I'm going to call this one L01. Next up, another one for L02, and now this one here I'm just going to rename it L03. Now we can start setting up our different level heights, and you can see that as I place in, let's say, 3 meters here, our empty, which represents our level, has now been moved upwards. On this one, I'm going to add in a number 6, and that's essentially how you set up your levels. It's pretty straightforward. Next up, we need to set up our grids. So we just go into here, we add in our grids, and it starts off with this very simple pattern. Click 7 on your number key to go into floor plan view. And if you want to add in any more, or if you want to change them, first off, you need to come down here and simply unlock your grids. And now if I press Shift D and then press on the X, I'm going to move this one, say 10 meters. And for this one here, I'm going to also click on Shift D, move it up, or at least on the Y-axis, and I'm going to shift it as well at about 10 meters. If you want to rename these axes, you can go into your left side panel where you can see them here within the first story, and I'm gonna rename this one 4, and I will rename this one D, and as you can see here, they have been renamed accordingly. If you wish to change them, however, as in extend them, you need to come down here into the annotation tool, swap over to edit mode, and now I'm going to move this on the x-axis about 10 meters as well, like that. And then for this one here, I'm gonna move this one up, or on the y-axis about 10 meters. And you can essentially repeat the same process for all of these. Okay, now as we look in 3D, we can see that both our levels and our grid system has now been set up. And of course, you can change this however you see fit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you here in the next one.